You want to be better. I mean, really better. I'm Joe Templin. I'm a human Kaizen expert and the author of the Amazon Kindle #1 new release, Everyday Excellence. I'm also the host of the Human Kaizen podcast, available wherever you listen to your podcasts. April 8th. Dream big. Dream without fear. Randy Pausch. I asked a coaching client earlier this morning, what would happen if I put a gun to your head and said you had to do $100,000 of production over the next quarter, or else, boom, your kid gets it. How would you do it? He spent the next 15 minutes telling me how and writing down notes. And then I said, go do it. If you hit the lottery and you got $50 million after taxes, what would you do? After buying my pirate ship, I have a list that my kids and I have discussed and gone over, and I am actually working on, because it doesn't matter whether somebody has a gun to my head or I get the winning lottery ticket. My dreams are going to come true because of my own abilities and desires and work. That's what powers my dreams, and it should power your dreams. When you turn this off, take a few minutes and answer the question, what would I do if I couldn't fail? And go do it. I'm Joe Templin. Excellent. And grow today.